how to fix your PlayStation 5 if it don't turn on. So if you want to fix your PlayStation 5 if it don't turn on, then here are some of the steps that you can use. So the first cause is the power supply issues. So unplug the power cable, wait at least for a minute and then plug it back into the PlayStation 5. And the second one is try another power code and then attempt to turn on the PlayStation 5. If the power light is not on, then move to the cause 2. But if the PlayStation 5 white power link blinks, then perform a power cycle. So press and hold the console's power button until the white light stops flashing. Remove the power cable, wait at least for 20 minutes while the power drains, and reconnect the power cable and turn on your PlayStation 5. And the second cause is the power outlet is not working. So if your power outlet is not working, then it might be an issue. Ensure that the PlayStation 5 is plugged into a wall outlet and plug a different power cord into the wall outlet to ensure the wall outlet works. Use a working phone charger, another gaming console, or a TV. And the third cause is the console doesn't detect a working display. Check that the HDMI cable is connected correctly between the PlayStation 5 and the TV. If your TV works with another device, try a new HDMI cable. And the fourth cause is overheating problems. So move the console to a well-ventilated location with no objects on, under, or right next to the console. Ensure that all of the vents are clear and have good airflow. Restart the console, and if you still have the trouble with ventilation, make sure the vents are clean. In some cases, you may need to clean or replace the fan with a new one. And the fifth cause is PlayStation won't wake up from the rest mode. So if your PlayStation was put into the rest mode but won't turn on after, manually reboot the PlayStation 5. Press and hold the PlayStation console power button for 15 seconds and your problem might be fixed. And the sixth one is the other firmware issues. So if you have the standard edition of PlayStation 5, insert a PlayStation 5 acceptable disk into the disk drive. Do not force it into the disk drive. If this method works, the console will accept the disk and turn it on. If possible, restart it in the safe mode. If your PlayStation 5 still does not power on, then rebuild the database in safe mode, or you can reset your PlayStation 5 in the safe mode. So resetting your PlayStation 5 will restore it to the factory settings and erase all of your game data. Only do this if all the else fails. So you can reset your PlayStation 5 and your problem will be fixed. But that's the last way. So these were the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.